Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you 5 side hustles you can do in this 2024 to make extra income, and most of it can be done from your mobile phone. But before I continue, if you are new to this channel, my name is Oli Lukman. On this channel, I share videos on how to make money online with your smartphone, and if that's what you want, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop new videos. So without wasting your time and not to make the video long, let's continue. First side hustle on our list is ride share driver. This is a side hustle where you transport people from one place to another, and this can be done at your preferred time. There are websites that connect the driver to its passenger, so you don't need to worry about the people. Example of these websites are Uber, Bolt, Rider, etc. And all you have to do is go to their website and register. The second side hustle is called freelance photography. This is a side hustle where you offer your photography skill for money. Are you the type that like taking pictures? Then you can sell these pictures for money. And if you're not good in taking pictures, then I will show you how to generate a good AI generated pictures which you can also sell. To generate this picture, go to deepdreamgenerator.com and describe the image you want to generate and click search. Then it will show similar photos related to your description. After downloading, then you go to artstation.com to sell your pictures, and also you can also search for more websites on Google to sell your picture. The third side also is tutoring. Do you have a knowledge or subject you can teach others, or you have been doing it for free? Now you can turn it to a side hustle and start tutoring on this website. One, checks.com. Two, Visant. And three, we have an academy, tutoring.com, and we have schooling.com. So register on any website and start teaching at your preferred time. And the fourth one is part-time virtual assistant. As the side hustle name implies, virtual assistant. All you have to do is to help a business or an individual to manage its work online. And this job can be anything and as easy as replying message, confirming orders, or arranging data. It can be anything depending on the offer available. You can sign up on Upwork or Fiverr to get jobs on virtual assistant. So the fifth side also is freelance graphic design. This is a side hustle where you offer your graphic design skills for money online. You can register on websites like Upwork, 99 Design, Fiverr, or Topa. So and showcase your design to get gigs.